Hey there, it's Lynda Cromar, and I am inside of my Facebook group, which has, like I said yesterday, over almost 8,000 people. Over 8,000 is going close to 9,000. And as you can see, here is somebody that is offering another program. This one is called MCA, or Motor Club Benefits. It's a program that helps you to have um, definite opportunities to build your business with benefits around your car, like towing and repairs on the road and different things like that that people need. You know, everybody with a car has to have this benefit. So, of course, like everything else, she's just offering what it will, all the things that it has available to you. But because most people are doing exactly the same thing here, it's not going to get you anywhere because nobody sees the benefit of saying yes. And you're just asking them to join immediately. And that generally is kind of a turnoff for a lot of people. So I'm inside of my Power Lead system. This is actually on my web pages. If I come to web and web pages, it's in here. And this is a benefit that is actually available to anybody that decides to be part of uh, our marketing team. And one thing that's pretty cool is that you don't always have to do it from scratch. I know, I've got to find it again because I scrolled away from it. But Jim in particular is really good at this, and he has done quite a few of these, so I'm looking for it because he did an MCA, here it is, MCA demo. In fact, there's more than one, so we can actually go and look and see which one we like better. For instance, here is Jim's. And so he wrote, just another day at the office, join my email today, receive a free update. Okay, so this is not really about MCA. Okay, so let's look at the other one, which is from Joe, and he does some really good ones too. And he already has an MCA demo, so let's look and see what he has. Okay, yes, this is really good. It shows a car broken down with a girl looking under the hood, probably trying to figure out what the heck to do. Everybody has car issues, right? Build a business helping people spend less money on car issues. So you could easily, if you were part of my team, and I'm going to show you exactly how you would do it, be able to grab this if you were in MCA, or if you wanted to help somebody that was in MCA, you would simply be able to just grab this link. Within a few clicks, it would be yours. And so let me show you how quickly and easily you could actually do that. So we have the MCA demo that Joe did here, and this time, instead of testing it, we're going to copy. And by copying, it's going to come over here. You've seen this page before. This is the update of the site. I will get the exact same page as this one, and I just have to make a few quick changes. And so what I'm going to write here instead of that is new MCA demo via Joe. All right, and then this is fine. I don't need to mess with that. And then I do need to have something here, and we just do the MCA. That makes it real easy. Now, I created a new email combination, which is all of these demos, which I am going to now attach these two. I did do that with the others. So it is actually video demo emails, and I'm going to put that in here. So it's going to show the other demos that I've done. And in this case, he has not put anything here, but this would be a good place for them to go to something, we can have a thank you page. I'll come back and work on this. This needs to be a different page. In most cases, it would normally be, let's go back to this lady. She didn't put a link on here, so you have to ask her for it, which that's actually smarter than putting a link here. But whenever there's a link, then that's what I always put on the back end of this. But I'll have to go find one because this is just a demo. This person isn't actually my teammate. So I could actually even do a quick search in Google to get the website. MCA. See if it'll bring it up. MCA Motor Club of America. This is the main page. Since I don't have that woman's page, I am going to use this one because I want to have something there. So this just gives you the actual replicated page, just like I've told you before, which is just way too much information. And if this really was your MCA funnel, I would suggest that you actually would, you have to make sure this is correct. We don't want HTTP twice. So you would want to make sure that the emails match whatever it is they're signing up for. So you would want to have some intros for your MCA business, and then you want to give them value, some training, some various different things, calls that are going to come up. Every company has their own call system, their own training system. That would be what you'd put in those emails. So that's basically all you have to do. Now you're good to go. I don't have to change anything else. I can go view this, and now I have one that is my own page. Really, really, really simple. And that's what I have to share with you this morning. Okay.